provides energy to the nation and is therefore essential for all-round development. However, the harmful emissions caused by burning of petroleum-derived fuel carbon dioxide emissions leading to global warming and the waste discharged by petroleum refineries and petrochemicals are some of the burning issues related to environment conservation. Indian Institute of Petroleum is a laboratory of Council of Scientific and Industrial Research or CSIR and is accredited with ISO 9001-2000 certification. IIP provides research and development as well as technical support to the downstream sector of the hydrocarbon industry. It develops and transfers technologies to industry in the area of petroleum refining, natural gas, petrochemicals, chemicals and utilization of petroleum products. It plays an important role in assisting refineries in absorption, adaptation and selection of technologies and in optimization of unit operations. In its research and development activities, it has focus on the environment conservation.
As far as petroleum is concerned, we at the Indian Institute of Petroleum have developed technologies not only to make clean fuels such as gasoline, kerosene and diesel, but also to make them more efficiently and to make them more environmental friendly. At this point, I would like to mention that very few people know the amount of carbon dioxide which is liberated into the atmosphere by processing of crude oil. And not only that, the carbon dioxide which is liberated because of burning of coal to generate power. And we have developed technologies to absorb carbon dioxide by two ways, either by liquid absorption or by pressure swing adsorption. Not only that, we have also developed alternative ways to make low sulfur fuels, clean fuels, using adsorptive desulfurization, oxidative desulfurization, and more importantly, biodesulfurization, by which actually you use less hydrogen and thereby actually produce less carbon dioxide into the atmosphere.
IIP is engaged in a development of process based on gas-liquid absorption for removal of toxic hydrogen sulfide and sulfur dioxide gases from fuel gases